हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ब्यूटी गर्ल्स क्रैक्स। ब्यूटी गर्ल्स क्रैक्स में मैं आप सबको वेलकम करती हूँ। आई होप यू आर ऑल फाइन एंड डूइंग वेल। In this video today I will show you beautiful bob haircut ideas. Today I will show you beautiful haircuts and hairstyles. Haircuts will change your personality and volumes your hair. So my dear friend, let us talk about today's trendy fashions about hairs. Haircuts, hair colors and short hairs are today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will cut your hair, you will color your hair into different styles and different sizes. Like layer cutting, shaggy haircuts, bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, layer cuts, fine haircuts, layer curvy cuts, short bob cuts, long layer cutting ideas, step cutting and much more haircuts. These kinds of cutting will change your personality, look great, gorgeous and stylish. And my dear friend, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Cracks and press the bell icon to get the latest and new daily updates, and like my all videos and share it with your friends and family members and all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kinds of video do you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much you are watching my videos. Once again, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my channel Beauty Girls Cracks and like my all videos. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collections, new ideas and new trendy fashions about hairs. We will be right back with new videos and new trendy haircuts. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me and do subscribe my channel Beauty Girls Cracks. Keep on watching. Till then, take care and bye bye. Allah Hafiz.